Hello, Scott here from 123 Internet. Today I want to talk about why your website is costing you customers and how to fix it. Your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business, acting as your virtual shopfront and sales team. Yet, many businesses unknowingly lose customers due to poor design, outdated functionality, or confusing user experiences. A well-designed website can attract and convert visitors, while a bad one can lead to missed opportunities and lost revenue. The good news is that these issues can be fixed with the right approach. First impressions are crucial, and users form opinions about your website in just 5 seconds. If your site looks outdated or cluttered, visitors may not stick around. It's essential to invest in a clean, modern, and mobile responsive design that clearly communicates who you are and what you offer. With over 65% of web traffic coming from mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly website is no longer optional. A responsive design ensures your site is accessible and easy to navigate on all devices, which also helps with search engine rankings. Confusing navigation and poor structure can frustrate visitors. Simplifying your navigation with clear labels and logical content grouping helps users find what they need quickly. Ensure the most important information is easily accessible. Slow loading times can drive visitors away before they even see your content. Thank you for listening. Connect and follow me for further topics and discussions.